next class. Now we have to discuss division of fractions. Before class we discussed reciprocal of fraction. Now division of fraction, how we have to do. For example, a by b and c by d are two fractions. A by b is divided by c by d. Then what we have, how we have to divide means we have to take reciprocal of c by d. So what we will get? D by c. So like this we have to do division of fractions. For example, 12 by 7 divided by 3 by 5. So which one reciprocal we have to take? 3 by 5 reciprocal after product. So 12 by 7 write as it is. So next fraction what have? 3 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 3. So 12 into 5 by 7 into 3. 12 5s are 60 by 70 is 21. Or another method. After getting result, it is simplified possible. You can simplify. If you take 3 tables, 3 7s are 3 20s are 20 by 7. So another method, if you identify it is cancel, simplify. See here, always we have to do cross simplification or numerator don't cancel. Numerator denominator are either cross multiplication. So 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. This is one method. This is another method. So now what we get here? 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. 4 into 5 by 7 into 1. So 4 5s are 20 by 7. So like this we have to do division. Division of fractions. See, in division some examples I will say. If they given whole number and one fraction, how we will divide. Let us see some examples. Let us see some examples. Example 1. If they given whole number and a fraction, 3 divided by 5 by 7. How we will divide? 3 always whole number part we have to take numerator. So 3 by 1 divided by 5 by 7. So 3 by 1 into which one reciprocal we have to take? 5 by 7 reciprocal, 7 by 5. So 3 into 7 by 1 into 5. 3 7s are 21 by 5. Next one more example. 7 by 12 divided by 5. 7 by 12. Here 5 divided by 5 is nothing but 5 by 1 we have to take. So 7 by 12 into 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. So 7 into 1 by 12 into 5. 7 1s are 7 by 12 5s are 16. Like this we have to do division of fractions. One more example. If they given mixed fractions. 3 1 by 4 divided by 5 2 by 5. First mixed fraction already we know how to convert into improper fraction. 5 into 5 plus 2 by 5. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1. 5 5s are 25 plus 2 by 5. 13 by 4 divided by 27 by 5. So 13 by 4 into reciprocal of 27 by 5 we will get 5 by 27. So of numerators by product of denominators. 13 5s are 65 by 4 7s are 28, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. So answer 65 by 1 and 8. So like this we have to divide. Division of fractions we have to do like this. So we completed multiplication, addition, subtraction and division of fractions. 4 operations completed. All of you understood, children? If you have any doubt, you can ask. You can ask by phone. Thank you. Have a nice day.